Hey, welcome back! A few people on TikTok asked for a tutorial, so here we go. Let's start with 7 beads, then take the right end of your cord and pass it through the first bead on the left. Make sure everything is centered. Choose one side and add 7 beads. Then pass the same cord through the second bead. Now it should look like this. From here add 5 more beads. Now pull your cord again through the bead we were starting from and also the one next to it. For the second one, we again add 7 beads and then pull the cord through the second one. Now add 3 more beads, but this time we connect it to the previous petal. Simply pull your cord through the first 2 beads. Now pass your cord through the following 2 beads, like before. I'm gonna repeat the steps one more time. Add 7 beads, pull your cord through the second of them, add 3 more, then pull your cord through the first 2 beads of the previous petal. And now through the following 2 beads. If you run out of cord, just continue on the other side. For the last petal, pull your cord through the first 2 beads. Add 5 more. You can also add a jump ring if you like. If you do, pull your cord through the last 2 beads. Like before, add 3 more beads and connect it to the previous petal. Then bring both cords on one side and make your knot. I decided to add the flower to a necklace. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you next time and have a beautiful day.